Okay, here's the JJRC X1 in a carbon fiber body, and let's see how to calibrate it. It's not hovering exactly in a place, it's constantly going forward. And that's because the flight control board is not exactly on horizontal. Okay, so let's see how to calibrate it. First, power on the drone. Now power on the radio also. Okay, and let's see first how it's flying. So both of the sticks outside. Okay, outside and down. Then the left stick, right, left and right. Okay, and now I'm going to increase only the throttle and it will go forward. So only the throttle. Okay, stop it with this one twice. Okay, so it's going constantly forward. To calibrate it, move both of the sticks to the lower right corner. Okay, and now if I arm it, outside and down, right, left and right. Now still going forward. Let's try another trick. Let's raise the front with an object, just a little bit. Okay, and let's remember this position. So both sticks to the lower right corner. Let's remove this one. Outside and down. Right, left, right. And just increase the throttle. Now it's hovering better. Let's bring it closer. Now it's hovering. Okay, and if I raise the back, just an example, and remember that position. And then next time it should go forward because that position was considered horizontal. Okay, so let's reset it. Just a little bit in the front. Okay.